Just a very, very short update. Probably won't even have seen the videos yet, but I'm working on this scraper, I believe it's called, because that's what's written on it. It's missing some gears, so I'm trying to print some. The only problem is I don't have the originals to go from. They're missing entirely. So I've worked out it's a planetary gear system. That gear was just to get the right size, and then all of these are me trying to work out what the intermediate planetary gears are, or whatever they're called. So this is the version where I've printed them. They should fit inside there, and then that fits in over there. But that will be in a different video. Right, it looks to me like I'm on the right track. That's what's supposed to happen. The gears are slipping a little bit because those ones that are in there aren't quite the right size. But that's turning them, and if I hold one still, it's slipping over entirely now. What we should get is the other one turning. Yeah, and so it's clicking a bit because the gears aren't quite right. We've got that one turning and this one not, because I'm holding it still. And if I hold that one still, then we get the other one turning. So now all I've got to do is get those planetary gears, or whatever they're called, the right size, and we might actually get it working. Having said that, while I've been taking this apart and looking at it, there are actually some teeth worn down on this one. Just there, they're well worn down. So yeah, progress, but still work to do. As I did say, if I wanted to, I could just make those fixed and then we could just drive it as an ordinary drive shaft without the differential. Worst case scenario. But we're partly there. So progress. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.